mom is gonna like kill me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing something a little crazy. I'm gonna take off my own braces, and this is gonna be like a long story short. I'm gonna try to keep it as simple as possible, tell you guys why I'm gonna do it. Basically, when I moved to Miami, like my orthodontist wanted to charge me these crazy prices, and I just thought her prices were a little bit astronomical. So I went and checked with a friend who knows an orthodontist personally, and they're like, some of the prices are okay, but some of the things that you really didn't need. So then I went to go to another orthodontist, and I kind of liked what they were talking about, but they wanted me to take off these braces and then put on like the Invisalign trays, and they wanted to charge me to take off the braces, almost $1,000, and then charge me I think almost $3K after insurance with for the invisible aligners, and I already get up to $1,500 in orthodontic coverage. So in my head, I'm like, well, I don't have that much longer to go on my braces. Like, they're basically ready to come off. I just have like a slight crossbite that I need to fix, and this one little tooth right here is just not as straight as it could be. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna save myself some money, and I'm gonna take off the braces myself, and I'm gonna do Smile Direct Club. So I have my appointment with Smile Direct Club tomorrow, so I want to get these braces off today, and I'm so scared, y'all. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos and people doing it, but like, and they do it like it's nothing. So this is not a tutorial. This is not telling people to go and do this. If you just want to save yourself some money, you can do it. I'm not advocating people to do this, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my braces. I got the tool that they use at the dentist to take them off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I'm so like nervous to do this. I need to like move my camera. Let me see. My light is right there, y'all, so if y'all see that, that's what it is, my light. So I'm about to see. I'm so scared, y'all, to do this. Okay. I'm gonna face this towards the mirror. I think that's like better, so y'all can see. Yeah. Wow. That came off. Wow, that's so crazy. It didn't really feel like anything, but there's oh, that looks so gross. There's definitely like food in there. I feel like my mom is gonna like kill me. I'm 27, but I just feel like she will kill me. This feels like oddly satisfying too. Like, it's weird, it feels good. Wow, this is crazy. Oh my god. Wow, guys. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera so you can see. It's crazy. So crazy. Wow. This feels so crazy. My teeth feel so good though. Wow, this feels so much better. Okay. These back ones are like, whew, like super hard. Wow. Jeez. Holy shit, y'all, it really did not hurt. I'm about to like brush my teeth. They feel like hella slimy, like really super slimy. Yeah, I'm about to brush my teeth. Like it makes me want to like spit. This is crazy. I can't believe I just did that. So next steps, I'm gonna go to the dentist and get my teeth cleaned, and then yeah, I'll probably take you guys on the Smile Direct journey with me as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.